Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. Today I'm here with another video of African Americans and other diaspora who landed in Ghana. Guys, I hope you are ready for this one. I don't know why I always say I hope you are ready for this one. Because even I myself, watching this video made me smile. So I want the same to you. All right, guys. So I want you guys to sit like the king and the queen that you are. Watch this video, okay, from beginning to the end, guys. Let's jump right into it. And definitely I will be back because, of course, I have something to say at the end of it.
Oh my God, I am in Africa. I feel so connected, so excited. This is the best experience of my life, and I just touched down.
Okay, wave your flag for me. Akaba.
Batua.
You have any yellow peppers?
Yellow. I don't.
So, yeah.
Anything else? 30 here. Carrot, 30. Carrot, 30. What's that? 1 for 30? Well, how about 1 for 10?
It's okay.
I'm not a good
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
How much? 3 for what? 30. No. Too much. 3 for how much? Not 3 for 30. How much is 1? How much is 1? How much is 20? 20 for 1. I said I got 3 for 30. 3 for 30. 3 for 20? She said 3 for 20. Yes.
Yeah. Can you walk?
I can.
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Put it. Yeah. You can hold it and walk.
No, I gotta be authentic.
Hold it, and go. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I got you. Give me some.
This?
Yes. Gosh.
She put that quick. Coming in and tasting
Original trouble. Keep the new one.
For the culture.
Yes, go. For the basin. Yeah. For the culture. King and queen.
It's gonna be lit at the time.
It does.
This is my shot.
Kind of pour I like.
Heavy-handed, generous pour, right? Superfluous. Superfluous pour.
Me das.
Yeah. La is staying.
The philanthropist. Cheers, y'all. Oh, not the philanthropist. Cheers, you got. So say next round on me. Thank you. Get this.
Yeah.
It's really good.
I had that.
I love it. I was there for 13 years.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad to be home. I'm glad to be home.
Cheers, 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 cheers.
It was fermented. It was never this.
Oh, that's good. How is the taste? Ooh, good.
Oh, it's
You like
really
it?
good.
It's like reacting.
Very good. Oh no.
It's like, you like the taste? Yeah. The way they take it.
Palm tree. They tap it from the palm tree. Yes. Yeah, they make it.
This is sweet. This is really good. I love it. It's really, really good.
Right. Sweet.
So maybe next year it's a big bad palm wine.
That's
Fermented.
Yeah.
Wait, it's just a little. Yes. Thank you.
She will not get anywhere before him back. Right.
It's sweeter. Okay. Just a little. It's sweeter.
Tastes like a loca. Like it?
Ooh, yeah. That has some smoky undertones. Thank you. Thank you. Let me finish.
Say, Eyede. Say,
Eyede?
Eyede.
Eyede.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what you said? I don't mind it.
Wow.
Oh, is it random rock or is that an actual stone?
Yeah, is that some? Oh, is this? Yeah.
Adapt, like producing the cover, the pot, to prevent the animals from getting the seed. So it's a kind of adaptation or evolution.
Okay, I have a practical question. Can that thing?
Nice. Everybody shout, hey! For the last time, hey!
I know if mom sat down, I would have.
The ingredients inside the asanka. So you can look at. Let's clap for them. It's not easy. Oh. The onion will show you pepper here. What?
Done, my mom.
Well done, well done, well done.
My mom.
Aiko, you say aye. Aiko. Okay, so we are done here. Thank you.
Jamaica is Ghana.
Thank you. Grazie. Grazie. Press the neck of head. And then it was like, okay, so I caught you today. And then Ken had to plead. I was like, I am very sorry. You know what? We are best friends, so forgive me. But I make you a promise. Whenever I have cake, you can take one of my cake as a compensation. And so that is why we have the hug touching.
Thank you.
Too hot.
Temperature hot.
Too hot. Too hot.
I gotta.
This is how they laid it out. That was about to be sad.
Tea.
I hope that means spicy. Delicious.
Tastes good.
Oh yes.